Good afternoon. Yes, sir. And who you be again? Mr. Gavilicious. Then is where you get me number from, sir. Alright, Mr. Gavilicious. Let me understand what you say correctly. You is telling me you take up your idle self and call me for sell insurance to me for my picnic them? But you're bright and fierce and hot harder. You is calling down dead pa me picnic them. But make I tell you something, Mr. Gavilicious. For me picnic them no need no insurance because them is covered under the blood of Jesus Christ. Safe and sanctified. Yes, and no weapon formed against them shall prosper. So take your idle self and come off of my phone and go sell your insurance elsewhere. You hear what me I say? Them your idle people have nothing to do. I can't sell me insurance. I call down dead pa me picnic. No sanky, no sing so. For me picnic they covered under the blood of Jesus.